Hello, beautiful people. How are you all doing? I believe you guys are very okay. So, on today's episode of our Truck Talks, we are going to be addressing one issue. As a truck driver, there are things we do on the road that affect other road users. Some of us don't know. So, I'm bringing it to you guys' notice to know that truck convoy on the highway is a kind of road offense when you are not given a proper gap. This is to say that truck convoy has rules guiding them. What do I mean by truck convoy? Maybe there are times truck go together, like trucks more than 5, 10, they go together. Maybe the first person knows the road, the destination they are going. The following trucks maybe don't know where they are going, so they have to follow the first one. So this at times causes accidents on the highway because they couldn't give spaces to other vehicles to overtake them. And you know how long vehicle is? One vehicle is about 53 feet. Imagine more than 10 vehicles being on convoy. This will cause a lot of trouble to smaller vehicle when they want to overtake him. Sometimes you can't overtake, you have to really stay behind them for a very long while before you can do overtake. At times many people don't know how to overtake this kind of convoy, putting them into risk. So we truck drivers give normal space. At least if you're on a convoy, give at least 90 to 100 meters. This is, if you don't know how to calculate meters, use pole, electric pole. Assuming you are following somebody, if that person is in the other pole, stay on this pole. With this method, you have created space for smaller vehicle to overtake you and go their own way. But if you follow another truck but tail to tail, this will make them not overtake you. Most of the time, I advise companies not to allow their trucks on convoy because it causes accident. It causes accident. And if you cannot avoid this convoy, there are rules. Those rules are giving the space needed. Number one, if you are leading convoy, if you are the first person leading this convoy, every junction you get, stop and wait for others. So if everybody have this in mind that you are going to stop at every junction and wait for them, they won't be rushing following you because they know that every junction you will be there waiting for them. This will give them confidence not to run speed following you. This will give them confidence to allow other vehicle to overtake them, knowing that you are not going to run without them. So do these small things. It is very terrible when you go on a convoy more than 10 trucks, you take over the whole road. This will make other vehicles not overtake you, and it is very, very terrible. At times many of them mistakenly try overtaking you, they run into incoming vehicle, which is bad. And if anything should happen, you are the cause. So this is all I have on today's episode. Drive carefully on the highway. So do something that will help other people's safety on the highway. Thanks and remain blessed. I still remain your boy Obule Godwin, aka Niger Trucker. Okay, Messiano.